Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I'm going to show you how I play chords and riffs to Too Shy by Kajagoogoo on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, but the recording of the original tune is slightly sharp. So if you want to play along with the original recording, you'll have to tune slightly sharp, just like I did. Now in the intro of the song, the first thing we'll play is the A string plucked like this. We're going to pluck it twice. I'm taking my thumb and index finger and I'm just pinching the string like this. The next thing we'll do is we'll play a couple of chords. That's an A suspended 4 and a B suspended 4. Now once I show you these chords, I'll show you how we'll strum those chords. Here's how I'm making those two chords. I'm holding down the G, B, and high E string at fret 9 with the index finger, and then I'm going to bring in this finger and place it on the B and high E at fret 10. Those are the three strings that we're after. That's an A suspended 4. We'll raise that by 2 frets for a B suspended 4. I'm using a medium pick and I'm going to strum the chords this way. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now that's 16th note strumming like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the emphasis is on down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If you weren't strumming like that, you'd hear this. So that's next, for the verses, we'll play a melody that sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to play that, we'll go to the 12th fret, the high E string, the B string, fret 14, the G string. So that's back to the high E at fret 12 and wind up at fret 15 on the B string. So that's, and when we get to fret 15, we'll do this. We're just down, up, on picking on that string. Then we'll play so that's fret 12 on the G string to 14 the B string 12, 15, 15 on the high E, 14, the B string 15, and end on the G string fret 14. And we'll pick that note too, like that. So that was we'll do that again. And then we'll play this. So that was at fret 12, the G string, the B string, fret 15, the B string, fret 15, the high E, fret 14, 15 on the B string, and 14 on the G string. So that's once again, here's the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll go to the pre-chorus, and for that, we'll play this melody. For that, we simply went to the A string at fret 10, the D string, the G string, and back to the D string. And then we'll go to the B string, fret 11 to fret 13, and play this. So that was 13, 11, and then 13 twice. So here's the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the chorus, we'll need 3 chords. A D minor 7. I'm at fret 10, and I'm borrowing everything from the D string down for that chord. I'll need a C add 9, and for that one, I'm holding down the D string at fret 10, the G string at fret 9, the B string at fret 8, and the high E string at fret 10. So that's C add 9. Then I'll move down to an A sharp chord here. For that one, I'm at fret 8 on the D string, fret 7 on the G string, fret 6 on the B and high E. We'll strum those chords this way. And we'll follow that with, so it sounds like this. I'm strumming that D minor 7 like this. So that's up, down, down, up, down. Up, down, down, up, down. And then I'll go to C add 9 and I'll play up, 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 down. And that's up, 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 down. And on the A sharp, I'll play up, down, down, like this. So that's, so here's the entire thing. 2, 3, 4, 1. For that riff, we went to the G string, fret 7, the D string, fret 11, followed with fret 7, and then back to the G string, fret 10, with a little vibrato. We'll do that again. Then we'll go all the way up to fret 15 and 13 and play this. And that was all up strums. That's fret 15, 13, 15, 13. So here it is. We'll repeat the entire process. And then we'll go so that was down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that was on fret 13 and 15. The next thing is the bridge, and it'll sound something like this. 2, 3, 4. For that, we're on the D string at fret 7, fret 9, fret 7, to the A string, fret 10, fret 9, fret 7, the low E string, fret 10, back to fret 7 on the A string, fret 10 on the E string, and end on fret 7 on the A string. So that's. And we'll be repeating that. During the bridge, the guitarist uses a device called an EBow, like this one, to play sustained notes. The EBow is a handheld synthesizer that provides long sustained notes when held over a single string. I'll place it over the G string, like this, and that's the sound I'm going to get. For this song, I'm going to place a finger on fret 3 and move down to fret 2 and then use vibrato. So it's going to sound like this. Then I'll move up to fret 9 then back down to fret 2. Here's what it will sound like played along with the actual recording. Well, my friends, that's how I play Too Shy by Kajagoogoo on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. 1, 2, 3, 4.